It is going to start, the sound is going to increase frequently, step by step, little by little, not at once, but just little by little. This is something very good, especially if you are going to finish your video, if you finish whatever you were saying, and the sound effect in the background is going to finish gradually. In this gift, as you can see, it lasts approximately 4 seconds. So you can also click on it and you can split it, right? As you can see, I have split it up, and I can add a transition or something here, like crossfade. I can put a transition here. As you can see, it is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to click on play. Sorry, just one more time. Okay, there you go. Well, it is stocked. I don't know what happened. But this is basically the way in which you can use this editor. So the idea is that you add a text, then you add a video here, maybe some pictures, a song in the background, then a sound effect or something, and you can play with all the things that you can use here. Is your torrent for you to come up with all your creativity and all your abilities to transform and edit. Basically, it's a very easy to use tool, so I recommend you to use it and create your own example. So good luck.